The nature of compassion in Theosophy. A quick blast of Theosophy by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. In the framework of Theosophy, compassion is understood as a profound and intrinsic quality of the human spirit. It is not limited to mere feelings of sympathy or pity. Rather, it encompasses a deep understanding of the suffering of others and a genuine desire to alleviate that suffering. This understanding is rooted in the theosophical belief that all beings are interconnected, forming a vast web of life where the pain of one is felt by all. This interconnectedness is often illustrated through the concept of the one life, which posits that all living entities share a common essence. Thus, when one acts with compassion, they are not only aiding another, but also nurturing their own spiritual growth and evolution. The transformative power of compassion is a recurring theme in theosophical teachings. It is posited that through acts of compassion, individuals can experience a profound shift in consciousness. This shift allows for the dissolution of the ego, which often manifests as selfishness, fear, and division. When individuals engage in compassionate acts, they begin to see beyond their personal struggles and recognize the shared human experience. This recognition fosters a sense of unity and belonging, which is essential for personal and collective healing. Moreover, compassion is seen as a catalyst for social change. Theosophists believe that when individuals embody compassion, they inspire others to do the same, creating a ripple effect that can lead to widespread transformation within communities and societies. This is particularly relevant in today's world, where social injustices, inequality and conflict are prevalent. By prioritising compassion, individuals can challenge the status quo and work towards a more equitable and harmonious existence for all.